Hey y'all, this is Maria from the Sewing Room channel. At my local Joann Fabrics and Crafts, they already have a small selection available of Christmas and winter holiday fabrics, and I of course wanted to share with you all what they have so far. My goal is to make it back to the store when they release their full collection of Christmas and winter holiday fabrics. So let me know in the comments below if you would like to see a video on that. So most of the cotton Christmas fabrics were on sale, which was nice to see. Even though it was a small selection, and I know it wasn't everything they're gonna have, I was impressed with how much Christmas and holiday fabrics they had so far available at my store. Loved this one. I thought it looked like little Christmas holiday tags that you'd put on gifts. This one had Christmas trees and candy canes, stockings. Thought that brick fabric was pretty cool. And the snowflakes were so pretty. How cute are those pink flamingos with the red Santa hats? I thought this fabric was really elegant. It had the gold stars on it with the music note pages. I thought this fabric was really cute with all the different Christmas and holiday treats. That's why my favorite part about Christmas is eating all the cookies and candies. Some pine cones with berries. We have some Christmas bells with ribbon. How adorable are these snowmen? I thought that was a really cool fabric. It reminded me of Christmas wrapping paper. How beautiful are all those Christmas ornaments? Again, more fabric that looks like those Christmas gift tags that you'd use on presents. This was my favorite fabric that I saw, these flamingos with Santa hats and jingle bells, and then palm trees that they have dressed like Christmas trees. It made me think of that beachy California vibe, which is where I grew up. Little mitts. This was like an under the sea Christmas fabric. I thought this fabric was really neat with the red trucks and the Christmas trees in the trunk with the bag of presents. And then more music note pages. I love that blue fabric right there with the snowflakes on it. Then we got some doggies and kitty cats, some more music note fabric. Well, that is the end of this shopping trip. Again, that was a really quick sneak peek of the Christmas fabric. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments below if you'd like to see more shopping videos. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!